Yassas, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today we're cooking outside. We're just going to make breakfast. Something very simple. Eggs with sausage. What we're going to do out on the grill, and I'm going to showcase a couple of really cool tools. So we're using the grill, the propane grill, and on the grill we're going to use the reversible griddle. I also have these egg rings, and these are brilliant because they allow you to put 8 eggs on one reversible griddle. And so that's the great thing here is then you can feed a large group very quickly. I have today the grilling spray, my eggs, and the sausage. I also have for tools that are indispensable for this, a pair of gloves, spatula, and some tongs to handle the sausage. So when you're heating your skillet, you can take a paper towel and kind of spread out the grease a little bit. Make sure you heat it up without the rings. You only heat the rings up for 30 seconds or something, not the whole time while the skillet is heating up. All right, so the thermostat is now about 400 degrees. We can start cooking our eggs. So I'm just going to open up for a minute and put my rings on the skillet. Today we're making 5 eggs. I'll close that. Let the rings heat up a little bit. What that's going to do is when the rings are hot and the skillet is hot, the egg won't seep underneath the ring. So let's start cooking. Here we go. Skillet is hot. We can just go ahead and put the sausage on the grill. You can cook it lower if you like it a little browner. I'll take it light brown. Let's crack an egg. You have a nice hot sizzle on it, and you see it doesn't flow away because everything's nice and hot. Here we go. Let's do the other 4 eggs. There we go. And I'm just going to close it up. What I like about cooking on the grill is I can close the lid and let it kind of bake as well from the top. I'm going to turn the heat down on all of these. It doesn't need to be so hot anymore. I'm going to turn it down to medium. And now we wait a couple minutes, like three minutes or so. The eggs should be ready. And now here's the magic of this. If you greased it really well, they should just come right off. And if it doesn't, that's okay. I'll just put it on the plate. Let it cool off. A nice cast iron skillet, you see the eggs come right off the skillet. No problem. The trick here I found, if the egg sticks a little bit to the ring, you can just use a knife and kind of cut it out. There we are. 3 nicely shaped eggs. Let me grab the sausage. Add that to the plate. Oriste. Kalioraxi. All right, here's my simple eggs and sausage breakfast. The eggs you see they come out perfectly round. They work really well, like if you wanted to do an egg McMuffin or something, this works really well. I hope you liked this episode. Please leave your comments down below if you tried it, and I'll see you next time.